My name is AJ, my real estate virtual assistant, and we're back again for team players in real estate. So, yesterday we discussed another word, and today we're going to discuss another word, which is the buyers. Okay, so buyers in a real estate transaction, they are the individual who's willing to purchase a property. Again, the code is purchase a property. So if that particular person or individual wants to purchase a property, therefore they are the buyers. And buyers, they cannot really go on their own if they want to purchase a property. They need help, right? Of a real estate agent or a realtor, so they can look for a better property that is, that will match their criteria or their standards. And second is, right, so they can negotiate with the sales price strategically, because this real estate agents or realtor, they are really trained enough, they have the experience, right, they have the knowledge on how to negotiate with the sales price. Of course, it would be a great help to the buyers if the real estate agent could negotiate a lower price to the listing agent or with the other party, right? So that's why it's very important for buyers to hire a real estate agent. So again, buyer is the person who wants to purchase a particular property in a real estate field or in a real estate transaction. Again, I hope you learn a lot on this video, and thank you so much. Follow for more. Bye.